Okay, guys, welcome back. This is a Thailand squid fishing boat, and she's being launched off the beach. As you can see, she's pretty much stuck here. This is the first time she's moved in about a week after a storm, so they got sanded in. Normally, this goes much smoother. She's sitting on basically a homemade trailer or dolly. As you can see, it's made out of wood with 2-car tires. Very basic, but it works. This is not a very big boat, but she's heavy. As you can see, she has an inboard motor, which is unusual for these kind of boats. But once they start getting her moving, getting her on some new sand, she goes in the water no problem. These guys will be fishing all night. This is at sunset. I was there when they came back in the morning. They didn't catch a whole lot. Now they got to get the dolly out from underneath the boat. It's just gravity and flotation that's keeping it there. They'll bring the dolly back in on the beach, and in the morning do the same thing in reverse, and they have a winch to pull the boat out of the water. It's much easier coming out. As you can see, this is a beautiful view. An absolute treat to be on a beach in this kind of weather. As you can see, the water is not very deep here. And the dolly is floating away. It does get brought back in. 2 of these men are just helping launch the boat. They bring the dolly back. And he's off. Alright guys, there it is as always. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it.